Okay, this tutorial will be quickly to show you how to import from the zone or from your computer. If you use your import button here, basically you're going to try and import some type of media from either your computer, meaning from your hard drive, from a CD, or from a flash drive, or from the zone. Go into your using it to import from your computer, click computer, and here you'll actually reference where you may find those files from, or an OTP file, meaning one that's been created with another OnTrack program. So we're going to focus on the zone. So we'll click zone. You'll sign into the zone. And when this comes up, basically you're getting online here, so you need to have an internet connection. You'll have an option to either download from your library, from your granted projects, OnTrack library, or public library. Your library is things that you have actually uploaded to either share with other people or to store online. Granted projects are the projects that have been granted to you by somebody else that they want you to look at. Your OnTrack library is actually going to be a new library. It's actually going to be one that's free, that you would have the ability to download some stuff that we post from the OnTrack team, probably mostly high-speed videos, a lot of the ones that people have been requesting. The public library actually is a new library as well. It's going to be a pretty good feature here. Anybody can upload a session to the public library. It could be a lameness, it could be an education, it could be something that's for sale. It could be just general interest, but you'll be able to actually go on to the www.ontrackzone.com and you'll be able to actually look through this public library there. If you find something that interests you or something that you want to keep stored, you'll be able to download that file, and then you can actually also then go through the comments, and if you find any comments that or solutions that may interest you or that you want to also keep in this library underneath that session, you'll be able to download that solution as well, all in one file. So this is actually going to be a very useful thing. But just to show you, let's download something from my library. Just click the blue arrow. This is the list of things that I've actually uploaded, and we will just do the Vista test one, and it'll actually then just begin to give you the file name. The file's horse name was Billy, and you can actually, when you upload these things to your own library, you can actually store several different sessions. So Billy could have had 4 or 5 different files underneath there, so you don't have to have too many libraries up there. Once it's done, it'll close, tell you that it's done. It'll actually import and say close the window. I'm going to import a read-only project. Do I want to continue? I click import, and here it says, do I want to overwrite this location already exists in my location section. So it's asking me, do I want to overwrite the details that are in the new farm or leave it? We're just going to leave it. Do I want to overwrite the details under the client? We're going to leave those. And do I want to overwrite the horse's details? Now this is the reason why it asked me that is if I send this file out and I maybe misspell a name or I don't have the client's phone number or whatever it might be, they can make those adjustments, and when they send it back to me, I can actually have that correct and update my data section. But as you can see here, it completely loaded that entire file and all the sessions. That's how you load from the zone.